Alright fellas, so I'm at it again. So tonight, quick one pot meal, dirty rice. First, we're gonna get this hamburger meat all browned up. Now of course while you browning, get you some of that. Get you some of that seasoning, toss in there too. You want it to look good. Now you don't really need too much salt, but this already got salt in it. But you can put salt in there if you want. You should start looking like this. That's almost done. I noticed I had a piece of a sausage, so we're gonna put that in there. Again, once you brown that, go ahead and drain that. Drain that. Now we're gonna put everything back in the pot. Put the water in there, 2.5 cups of that. And put your rice in there. Mix all that up, break that up, bring it to a boil, cover it up for 25 minutes. Yeah, once you get that, turn that joint down low, simmer 25. And voila, that's how she should come out looking. Hey, this is another one for us, fellas. Another one dish, one pot hookup. Hey, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll share some more recipes. Let's get it.